Hey, Shift Shop friends. I'm in my kitchen. I'm like, what do I say? I'm just gonna talk, okay. So I made my meal plan and I'm making this video to show you what I did and kind of what how I thought through making my meal plan, because next week we are reducing carbs. So if you look at your meal plan, hopefully you all know where this is. I know that meal planning and prepping food is probably not everybody's favorite. Yes. Yes, I know. We're setting a table for Felipe's
birthday.
Felipe's birthday's on Thursday. So we're doing all this Bronco stuff in there. Anyway, I know that this part isn't probably your favorite. It takes time. It's sort of tedious to actually really figure out, where am I gonna eat 5 servings of veggies and 4 servings of protein, and the fact that I get no carbs. Say hello. So here's my meal plan. Basically, breakfast is Shakeology. I'm adding some spinach in that to get that extra green. I'll have a teaspoon of almond butter and a fruit serving. Okay. Then I'm making a veggie frittata. So I'm not gonna make that until tomorrow.
Let's set up the table.
So, but what I did to help myself out so I can make it quickly tomorrow is I cut up the onions, peppers, and tomatoes. That comes from week 1 of the Shift Shop recipe book. So if you haven't seen this, you can look in the program materials, the Shift Shop recipes. It's the vegetable frittata. It's an easy green and red, and a teaspoon actually. That's I'm gonna have for a mid-morning snack. I also made some hard-boiled eggs because I'm gonna have to have 5 servings of protein, and so I know having a quick protein is essential. So I boiled up some eggs to have that on hand. Then for lunches, I'm making actually the chicken spinach salad. It's in week 3. It's called the mustard chicken and spinach salad. It's got a red wine vinegar, olive oil, and Dijon mustard dressing, but with celery. I don't really like celery. I know you do, Katie. But I'm gonna put in carrots instead. But it's chicken, grapes, spinach, and walnuts. So that sounds pretty cool. So I'm gonna make a few of those for lunches. And then that would be lunch. My snack in the afternoon will be a fruit, probably apples and almond butter, or some other fruit and almond butter. I don't mind just eating almond butter or peanut butter plain. I don't know about you, but I could eat that a lot. So I'm kind of excited I get 3 teaspoons of that. And then for dinners, I'm gonna do that chicken sausage. What is it? It's a marinated summer veggies with chicken sausage. So I don't have any of that prepped yet, but I do have the chicken sausage. I do need to get a couple more veggies at the store, but I'm gonna have that probably Monday, Tuesday. Then I also have on the menu chicken, not that you can read this, but chicken with sauteed mushrooms, and that is in the 3rd week of the Shift Shop recipe also. Just so I'm ready, I marinated my chicken in some mustard and parsley, a little coconut oil, salt and pepper, and lime juice. So that's ready to make for that chicken mustard jar salad. I did have a summer squash or a spaghetti squash, so that's all roasted. And then I actually roasted up some broccoli just because I love broccoli, I eat broccoli, and it's easy for me to, like, if it's ready, and if you know me, and if you've been in my groups, you know that I like to just make a bunch of veggies so that it's in the fridge and it's ready. And then of course I have like a couple bags of spinach in the fridge too. Oh, last but not least, I know that, again, we have to get an extra veggie and an extra protein in. So this is my staple. These are the veggie egg cups. They're the recipe in week 1 under the breakfast. And I make these all the time because my kids eat them, and they are an easy, 2 of these suckers is 1 red and 1 green. So it's just a super easy way to get an extra protein and an extra veggie. You can even have it as a side. In fact, I'm planning to have them as a side with dinner to get that 1 more green, 1 more red. So that's just some of my thinking. Of course, as you know, I wrote it down. I don't have the problem eating the same thing for, obviously Shakeology's easy. My snacks and my lunches are pretty consistent for the week, and then dinners just are varied a little bit. But write it down, and because it just makes you feel good knowing that you're ready and you get some food ready. And here's what I did too. I just noted what containers were in there, and then I went through and kind of saw, oh, I don't have enough red. So here I'm gonna have to eat 1 hard-boiled egg to, because that veggie frittata is only half a red. So I'll eat 1 hard-boiled egg and that will be the other half. Anyway, that's just what I did. There you go, hopefully that's helpful. I will type that out, that's my goal anyway, and post that in our group if you wanna use it as an example. But the idea is just get ready, just know what you're eating, and almost the more you can prep, the better, because then it's ready and you don't get home and you're scrambling in the kitchen for, oh my gosh, I need to eat like 3 more veggies and 3 more proteins, and what am I gonna eat, okay? Anyway, super excited about our last week and grateful for all of you in this group for sure. Okay, you guys, talk to you soon, bye.